Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ring lights with Alexa for porch routines, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your ring lights are properly installed and powered on. Next, download and install the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Devices menu, select the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Lights from the list of device types. Now, find and select Ring as the brand of your lights. Follow the prompts in the app to connect the ring lights to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your ring lights are in pairing mode by following the instructions on the screen. Once your ring lights are connected, you'll receive a confirmation in the app. Next, go back to the main Devices menu. Tap on Routines in the list. Select the plus icon to create a new routine. Name your routine something easy to remember, like porch lights. Tap on when this happens to set your trigger. Choose your desired method to activate the routine, such as a voice command or schedule. Now, tap on Add Action to specify what you want your ring lights to do. Select Smart Home, then scroll to find your ring lights in the list. Choose the action you want for your lights, like turning them on or off. Adjust any additional settings for brightness or color if applicable. Once everything is set, tap Save to finalize your routine. To test your routine, use the command you created or wait for the scheduled time. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything works smoothly. Now you're ready to enjoy your automated porch lighting with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.